Are you interested in learning about the Internet of Things and how it can be used in agriculture? Check out this Internet of Things Learning Kit Greenhouse project. This kit includes everything you need to build a smart greenhouse, including sensors, a microcontroller, and software to monitor and control your greenhouse from anywhere in the world. With easy-to-follow instructions, you can assemble the kit in no time and start programming and monitoring your plant's health in real time. Use the app you designed on your smartphone to track the temperature, humidity, and light levels of your greenhouse. You can also set alerts to notify you if any of these levels fall outside the optimal range for your plants. With the app, you can adjust the settings for your greenhouse remotely. For example, if you notice that the plant is dry and needs water, you can turn on the water pump to water in your plants. By making the IoT Learning Kit Greenhouse project, you can learn about the Internet of Things and how it can be used to optimize plant growth and increase yields. Get your IoT Learning Kit Greenhouse project today and start growing smarter.